We got our names on the guest list. I can't forget your name, always had it on a necklace. She said, new phone, who this? As soon as I texted, then I saw a pretty little face standing right by the exit. I said, it's funny that you here, cause I know this really ain't your thing. She said, you got that right, and I call will arrive in 15. She said, it's 12:35, but she still got work in the morning. I ain't tryna kill the vibe, you can see it in my face, I'm torn. Yeah, but wait, just like magic, they playing our song from way back when we fell in love. She put down her jacket and gave me her phone, said I can stay, but just hold up. Moving through the crowd, almost dropped my drink, girl, we in LA, that ain't cheap. She said you ain't changed one bit.
Good morning, y'all. Me and my dad, we are on the way to the airport. It's flight day. I'll be on this flight pretty much all day. So the next time y'all see me, I'll be at the airport. It's been a lot. It's been so much. I did get everything packed. I got everything situated. Right now, what time is it? Right now, it is 8:02 in the morning. But yeah, I'm excited. It's not hitting me yet. I feel like it's gonna hit me when I'm on a plane, but I'm super excited. Last night I also put the curly pieces in my hair, y'all. So this came out real cute. I'll see y'all when I'm in the airport, and I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit while I'm in the airport.
Said just focus on me. My body like calypso. So on that back, I'ma leave with my feet so. Yeah, I love it when you get low. I saw my hand on your back, on your thighs when you get those. What's when she move her hips so. Already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. 902 and all the zip code. There's a party in my bed, can I send you the info? Deuces, I see you later, right there, full of prayer. Focus on me, not on me.
Good morning. I hope y'all can hear me. But I know it's kind of loud in here. I don't really know what time it is. My phone is saying 12:18. It just said 3:18. I really don't know what time it is. But I know it's looking a little light outside. So I just woke up. I've been asleep for like a few hours, but it's saying that we have 1 hour and 18 minutes left for this flight. And right now I'm on my flight on the way to Switzerland. This is the flight that's coming from Montreal, Canada. After that, I still have one more flight to go, and that's my last flight, which is gonna take me to Florence, Italy. So hey y'all, we are in Switzerland now. I just got off my flight. The next flight, I'm waiting for them to drop what gate it is. They literally said like on the thing, it's not gonna drop until 6:35 a.m. They're not gonna drop when our gate is, which I'm confused, and it's 6:20 right now. That is Switzerland time. So back at home, it's probably like 1 a.m. I'm here in Switzerland. Switzerland is different. I just used the bathroom. The toilet was nice or whatever. The airport is actually like, it's really quiet. That's why I'm talking to y'all right now, honestly, because wasn't able to really give y'all a rundown of everything. This flight on the way to Italy has 3 legs on it. So the first one, I flew from Orlando to Montreal, Canada. Then from Montreal, I flew to, where'd I go? Hold on. Flew here to Switzerland. This is Zurich, Switzerland. And that flight was like 8 hours. And y'all, when I tell y'all, God really looked out for me. He looked out for me. Like, they literally upgraded my seat to like main cabin, y'all. Like, y'all seen I showed y'all I was getting food, I was getting all this stuff. I did not pay for that. They literally upgraded me, and it was the best. I had a whole bunch of space on my seat and everything. First international flight was a success. Got to literally experience like first class. Like, my boarding pass literally said business. Like, this, you know what, this is for business. We're going for business, you know? That was such an experience. I would say definitely a 10 out of 10. The flight was really smooth. I got to go to sleep. It was space. Like, I literally could turn the chair into like a bed. Like, they gave me a pillow, blanket, everything. Like, I love that flight. Best flight ever. For me to be on an 8-hour flight for my very first time, for me to go international, like my first time ever, that was really a blessing for me to be able to like get moved up, and it was an amazing experience. This next flight is literally on like an hour. I'll be going from here, Switzerland, to Italy, Florence, Italy, and then done with planes. Y'all, it literally says I'm like 4,000 miles away from home. Like, this is crazy. I'm excited though. I'm really excited. Probably not gonna get any food here just because we literally just ate breakfast. Like, they gave us dinner, and then we just had breakfast. And literally, y'all, I got to check off everything I wanted for breakfast, like on the sheet and everything. Like, I'm just like, say less, like really, like say less. Like I said, a few more minutes until they do drop the gate, and I'm just gonna go by the gate. I know that one does say that we board at 7:40 and then we leave at 8:05. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Right now it's kind of ugly. It's ugly in Switzerland right now. It's raining. I don't know if I can see. It looks like it's raining, but it's raining in like my background. I really don't think I explained this to y'all. Y'all, I am studying abroad in Italy for a month. Studying at the school Lorenzo de Medici. I probably messed that up. Lorenzo de Medici. If I messed it, I'll correct myself, whatever. I'll be taking 2 classes. First class is luxury brand management, and the other one is just like a cooking class, like culinary class. So I'm excited about that. Also be able to go on like trips and stuff. But of course I'll be vlogging that. I'll be vlogging out my apartment living and everything. But that's really all I'm gonna say for right now. I'll see y'all in Italy. Okay, y'all, I've officially made it into the apartment, and I'm the first one here. And y'all, this is not what I was expecting at all, because honestly, I really didn't even know what to expect. We're on the top floor for one. I don't know exactly how many roommates I'm gonna end up having, but I do know it was y'all, I'm sorry, I'm just talking and looking because I'm so happy. This is so nice. This is so nice, but I don't know how many roommates we're gonna end up having, because we're in a double room. And for starters, I guess I'll show y'all the common area first, hopefully before nobody else comes here. Walk in, this is the door. Walk in, this is like the living area, whatever. This is like for storage. Oh, not storage. Okay, so washing. And I was worried that they didn't have an iron, y'all. I was like, what if I can't iron my stuff? But that's the wash machine. We do have to hang up the other stuff to dry. But like, this is like to keep storage. This is our refrigerator. I hope, is this a freezer or is this just a bottom? I don't even know. We'll figure it out later. This is like, you know, obviously stove area. They gave us all these appliances. This is everything. This is like me literally walking in off rip. So they gave us glasses in here. And I need to go ahead and Lysol everything in here because I don't know where it's been. But yes. We have a table here, more storage. And y'all, the ceilings, like look at everything. It's so pretty, y'all. Like this is so pretty. Like, oh my god, like this is gonna be my home for the next month. Like, okay, microwave, sink, okay, window, let me not. Oh, I'm gonna close it because I don't really want, a lot of people said there was like big on like mosquitoes here. It is so hot, y'all. Like, it is so hot. But y'all, like, we're on the top floor. So I literally had to walk up like 5 flights of stairs with my suitcase that is borderline 50 pounds. When I leave here, I gotta get down because there's no way. This is the first room. Guessing that's the Wi-Fi router. Then you come in and you see the bathroom right here, the door. Where's the light? There's a mirror here. See, this is nice. This is another type of toilet in here. They have that one. And then, yeah, this is a nice shower. This is so nice. Like, that's so nice. And so, and then this is the first bedroom. So there's 2 beds in here. Like I said, I'm not really sure how many of us in here. I just know me and my other roommate who also goes to stay with me. They came with a TV, drawers. Hopefully they're all empty. I'm not doing all that. This is like a cute view from being on the top floor. Super cute. Pretty sure that's for the air, or that might be for the heat. It's cute too. Like, this is a large mirror. Super cute. And there's another one in the other room, but I'm gonna choose the other room. But there's the iron board, so at least I know if it is here. That's, I'm guessing, the dryer rack for like our clothes and stuff. Came with hangers in here, blow dryer, like another iron, because I did see the other iron. But literally, I think this is a nice like closet area. This is nice closet space. That's so cute. Look at them eyes. Okay, I'm gonna get out this room because this is not even gonna be my room. It's my room. Then you come through, and this is the hallway, like on the way to the room that I'm choosing. This is the closet that's in here that they're trying to make it like that. Again, the pretty light. Really, it's just the pretty ceiling and the pretty details for me. Then this one also has a TV, more drawers in here. But I love the view in this one. Like waking up kind of to this. I mean, it's like, you know, it just gives Italy, it gives Italian. Like I love it. And so that's this one, and then this is our bathroom. But this is this mirror right here. I can see me taking pictures in this mirror every day. This bathroom. This bathroom looks a lot more bigger, and I like this one. So that's why I'm choosing this one. So cute. Like I just think this is so nice. This is so cute. I love this. This is not what I was expecting at all. Yeah, another thing that I found hard, and that's why I'm literally doing this vlog, and even if this vlog comes out a mess or horrible, it's because I want more people like me. I went on everything. I went on TikTok, I went on Instagram, I went on the school's website, I went on YouTube, and I could not find like videos of people going to this school. I only found like 2. And then they were like within 4 years. And then the last one's like from the university, like themselves, like it's literally, they were 10 years old. And I was just like, no, I have to vlog. And when I vlog, I have to show like at least an apartment or give some type of tour or some type of like something like to help people out, because that's kind of, it's unacceptable, y'all. Yes, I'm in Italy. Like I said, I gotta figure out, like I said, how many people are gonna be living here, but I really do hope it's just me and her. Like, we can vibe out with this. Like, this is nice. I really have a feeling it's gonna be like, this is kind of like a suite, and there's gonna be 2 other people living with us. But if that was the case, I feel like they should have put that on my thing, and that's not on my thing. It just said it's a double room. Which technically this is a double room. There's 2 beds in the room, but it is a double room. I just want something like fruity. I don't. Why don't they have that one? Why don't they have this one and a bigger one? They probably sold out. Hey y'all, so now we're in Sephora in Italy shopping. A lot of people say they like that purple one. I've never. Self checkout is crazy. It's like now I have so many smells in my nose. I know. I wonder if they have the hair. I don't know if I want. They do have it over there. I'm gonna smell the her, and if I like the her, we're gonna get the her. But Chanel smells good too. Jeez, I've just been putting these perfume things in my bag. I just don't know. Oh, I vlog YouTube.
Oh, she like makes videos on like she vlogs like YouTube.
Is to bigger the picture.
Yeah, it's like she's recording, like she does like vlogs on like.
Oh, it's a tripod. This is a camera lens.
Ah, la camera.
Yeah, and it's a phone, and then it's a tripod.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's like to carry the phone so she can record around. Yeah.
Like this one, and then I like the blue. So indecisive. This one. And then the blue one.
I want you to do.
These two.
I'm not a vanilla girly. It smells good though, but Blackseed. Oh, there's apple, girl.
There's an apple?
Right there.
On there, last stop. Last stop.
What you gonna get out of apple? I just got my new phone.
I just want to see what the apple store looks like.
Right. Say it to the vlog. Or...
Oh yeah, sure.
Hey, this is Abby, y'all.
We're in Italy.
We're in Italy.
But then right here, it looks like a museum.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh, my camera's good. So this is going to conclude this video. We just got back to the room. We did go get something to eat. It was good. We had our food paid for by this really sweet couple. I hope y'all did enjoy this vlog. Thank y'all for making it to the end of this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. And make sure you follow my business as our Collection. First day in Italy is a wrap.